If your Verizon Fios Wi-Fi says connected but no internet, the issue often lies with the ONT, router, or DNS settings. The ONT converts fiber signals, the router distributes Wi-Fi, and DNS translates website names to IP addresses. First, ensure your ONT's power and data lights are solid green. This indicates a stable connection to Verizon's network. A loose cable or ONT firmware issue can cause this problem. Outdated firmware is a frequent culprit, accounting for roughly 25% of cases. A quick fix involves power cycling. Turn off the ONT, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Repeat this process with your router. Remember to always power cycle the ONT first and wait before power cycling the router. Verizon's MyFios app offers AI-assisted diagnostics, reducing troubleshooting time by 40% compared to manual methods. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to flush your device's DNS cache. On Windows, open the command prompt and enter the command ipconfig flush DNS to clear any cached DNS entries that might be causing problems. DNS server issues account for 40% of Verizon Fios connectivity problems. Consider switching to alternative DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1 in your router's network settings to bypass potential Verizon server overload. Update your router's firmware through its web interface, typically accessible at 192.168.1.1. Firmware updates have a 90% success rate in fixing connectivity problems by addressing software bugs and security vulnerabilities. If issues persist in larger homes, consider implementing a mesh Wi-Fi system. This setup uses multiple access points to eliminate dead zones and provide consistent coverage throughout your space, often resolving connectivity problems in hard-to-reach areas. A faulty optical network terminal power adapter can be the root cause of connectivity problems. ONT hardware failures make up 15% of Verizon support tickets, often requiring professional replacement if the issue persists. Use the MyFios app to run speed tests and confirm you're receiving the internet speeds included in your plan. This helps determine if the issue is with Verizon's service or your local setup. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the problem, contact Verizon customer support. They can arrange for ONT hardware replacement or provide advanced diagnostic assistance to get your Fios connection back online.